The United States of America, in the UN Security Council meeting on South Sudan yesterday, 2025, in New York, has called on the regime in Juba to free the first Vice President and Peace Principal, Dr. Riek Machar Tenny-Durgan, and other detainees, and recommit to the implementation of the 2018 peace deal. In the clear divided by worded unequivocal statement of warning, the USA also called on the regime to stop the targeting and the attacking of the Nuer tribe in their counties or areas, and warned of the looming ethnic conflict in the country. The USA also questions the legitimacy of the regime with its current violations of the 2018 peace agreement, which is the only legal instrument that gives it the legitimacy. As always, Salva Kiir is losing the diplomatic fronts in the international arena. Many embassies are closing in Juba and telling their citizens not to travel to South Sudan. Salva Kiir may not listen to these clear warnings in the face of all these condemnations and calls from the international community. He only listens to President Yoweri Museveni of Uganda. However, the end will justify the means one day. Below is the USA statement from their official website. United States Mission to the United Nations. Skip to content. Explanation of vote at the adoption of a UN Security Council resolution ruining the mandate of the UN peacekeeping mission in South Sudan, UNAMISS. Honed explanation of vote at the adoption of a UN Security Council resolution ruining the mandate of the UN peacekeeping mission in South Sudan and Miss Ambassador Dorothy Shee, Acting U.S. Representative, New York, May 8, 2025, as delivered. Thank you, Mr. President. First, let me convey my appreciation to all the troop and police contributing countries for their service and sacrifice in supporting peace in South Sudan. UNMISS leadership and peacekeepers play an important role in South Sudan as the security situation in the country continues to deteriorate. U.S. mission to the UN. Our leaders. About the missio. Highlights. Remarks. Contact us. Privacy. Social media terms of use. Site map. Accessibility statement. U.S. missio. United States mission to the United Nations. 799 United Nations Plaza, New York, MY10017. Related links. The White House, State Department, United Nations, Model UN Programs, Student Programs, U.S. State Department, Bureau of International Organization Affairs, Archived Contents 2009-2017. Footer disclaimer. This is the official website of the U.S. mission to the United Nations. External links to other internet sites should not be construed as an endorsement of the views or privacy policies contained therein. American flag.